Benton Tower, Golf Charlie, correction, Golf Romeo, Charlie Romeo Mike, holding point Alpha 1, ready for departure.
Golf Romeo, Charlie Romeo Mike, Benton Tower, 7722013, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Golf Romeo Mike.
12, early downwind.
Roger.
Okay, takeoff for 60.
12 downwind, glide, flat. Level 12, wind 22012.
And we're airborne. Up and go away. Engines happy, feet are good.
Golf Romeo Mike departing downwind. And Golf Romeo Mike changing to 7 mil 120.1905.
Golf Romeo Mike, downwind departure approved, continue 7 mil. Good day.
Downwind departure approved, thank you. Good afternoon, Golf Romeo, Charlie Romeo Mike, VFR departure from Benton to Northolt. Request VFR departure and basic service.
Golf Romeo, Charlie Romeo Mike, Benton, correction, Southern Mill. Good afternoon, basic service Q&H is 1011, VFR departure to Northolt approved.
Q&H 1011, VFR departure approved, Golf Romeo Mike.
Keep a good lookout. Carry on watching this video. This is the first time that I've flown to Northolt. Northolt are very particular about single engine aircraft. So it's a privilege to be able to fly in there. I'm attending their Families Day exhibiting this aircraft on behalf of RAF Benton Flying Club.
Golf Romeo Mike, previously called traffic north 2 miles, tracking east, indicating 200 feet above.
Traffic not sighted, I'll stop my sign, Golf Romeo Mike.
Taking this flight nice and slow. This aeroplane can go very fast, but I'm just pootling along 100 knots. Let's take my first turning point. Princess Risborough on the nose is my next turning point. Oh, not really turning point, I'm flying over, it's a waypoint.
Romeo Mike, previously called traffic, no longer a factor. Squawk comms security, London QNH is 1012, and free call Northolt 126.450, good day.
Squawk comms security, London 1012, free call Northolt, thank you, Golf Romeo Mike.
Show me 365 localizer, descend now in accordance at the car 120675, you have a good day. Descend in accordance and 120675, Mr. Germany 365, good day. Sir, Mike, leaving controlled airspace on altitude 2,400 feet basic service to Broadstreet Railroad. Leaving controlled airspace, Wilco, Golf 0 Mike.
Northwood approach, Golf Romeo, Charlie Mike Romeo, inbound 1012 set.
Confirm calling Northwood approach, say again, and where you inbound to?
Golf Charlie, correction, Golf Romeo, Charlie Romeo, Mike, inbound to Norfolk from Benson.
Romeo, Charlie Romeo, Mike, Roger, 4360, current location.
Squawk 4360 and location is 1 mile east of Princess Risborough at 1,700 feet, 1012.
Mike, so you identified opportunity 1011, confirmed type of service?
1011 and a basic service outside Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, we're just an altitude 2,400 feet of basic service.
Say again, Golf Romeo Mike.
2,400 feet basic service.
Basic service, not above 2,400 feet. Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike. So with information lead, just confirm passengers on board and type of approach.
I am 1 POB and say again, coming in regularity 3, Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, so information Lima, copy you've got on board and just confirm your type of approach.
Type of approach will be visual and I'll get Lima, Golf Romeo Mike.
Looking for a right joint?
Looking for a downwind joint, Golf Romeo Mike. Yes.
Golf Romeo Mike, right. It's got a Cat Bravo moving shortly, so I'll give you the seat to the north.
No problem, Golf Romeo Mike.
And Golf Sierra Mike, request frequency change now, Farnborough 132.18. Sierra Mike, 7,000 on route today. And sorry, many apologies, I did extinguish the radio, but fit again later, fine. Yeah, no problem. Romeo Mike, this traffic here 12 o'clock at 1 mile, opposite direction, indicating 300 feet above.
Traffic north, traffic inside, Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo Mike, just be advised, I've got a Cat Bravo on start at the aerodrome and he will do a spiral departure and therefore he stops all inbound. I can get you in, but we're going to have to be a bit expeditious about that. You happy with this?
I was given the workload of the airspace, so I'm happy to hold outside controlled airspace until he departs Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo Mike, now I'll give you all the details of the airspace, so don't worry about that. I'll give you all the altitude restrictions and call the aerodrome to you, but it might be a 5 to 10 minute hold, so I'm happy if you're happy to get you inbound first.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. I'll continue inbound, Golf Romeo Mike.
Okay, so Golf Romeo Mike, it'll be not above altitude 2,000 feet, so not above 2,000 feet for entering controlled airspace.
Not above 2,000 feet entering controlled airspace, Golf Romeo Mike.
Yeah, Mike, do you want me to give you vectors for the visual, or are you happy for road navigation?
Happy with road navigation, Golf Romeo Mike.
Okay, so Golf Romeo Mike, avoiding Denham's ATZ, you are cleared for the visual approach of runway 25 at Northolt.
Avoiding Denham's ATZ, cleared for the visual approach runway 25 at Northolt, Golf Romeo Mike.
And Golf Romeo Mike, as it's a VFR transit, it'll be a radar control VFR on entering control airspace.
Roger, on entering control airspace, it will be a radar control VFR transit, Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, if you want me to, I can climb you to 2,000 feet and give you an IFR. If you're not happy, just let me know.
Roger, I'm not IFR rated, so visual it is, Golf Romeo Mike.
Will be 120.6 675.
So Golf Romeo, mate, on your current heading, you're going to shoot the gap between Denham and L3, so that's good, maintain outside of there. ATZ.
Wilco, Golf Romeo Mike.
I am cleared for the approach. I'm going to go, I've got my landing light on. Crossing the M25.
And Golf Romeo Mike, I am visual with Northolt.
Mate, apologies on run line, say again.
Just calling to say I'm visual with Northolt. Golf Romeo Mike.
Alright, perfect. So, are you happy with Denham to your south by 3 miles as well?
Yeah, also visual with Denham. Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo, right. Roger, there's no traffic seen to affect on radar. There's nothing manoeuvring at Northolt or Airburn at the moment that's going to affect you. To tower 120675. You have a good day.
To tower 120.675. Golf Romeo Mike. Northolt Tower, Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, inbound, request a downwind join for 25.
Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, Northolt Tower, good afternoon, join visually, runway 25, we are information code Lima, the Northolt QNH 1011.
Lima is current, join downwind for 25, say again the QNH Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, QNH 1011.
1011, Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, the circuit is clear, report downwind.
Wilco, Golf Romeo Mike.
Right, see if we're downwind checks. Brakes, undercarriage, mixture, prop, fuel pump, landing light, T's and P's.
Romeo Mike, apologies, do you have a 6 gear?
I am down and 6, Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo Mike, in the interest of expedition, you're able to make a right base join.
Say again, Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo Mike, in the interest of expedition, you're able to make a right base join.
Yeah, I should be able to do that, Golf Romeo Mike.
Thank you.
Wow, I live here. We'll go flaps out.
Golf Romeo Mike, the estimated wind 24011 knots, there is a crosswind of 9 knots from the left on runway 25, report final.
Roger, turning final now, Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, roger. Golf Romeo Mike, max crosswind is 9 knots from the left, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 25, Golf Romeo Mike.
Romeo Mike, vacate left on control. Continue with me on ground, 121.575.
Vacate left and continue on ground, Golf Romeo Mike. And confirm that was vacate left onto Delta for Golf Romeo Mike.
Everything vacate left onto Charlie at the left, just passing.
Vacating onto Charlie, Golf Romeo Mike. And Golf Romeo Mike, on ground.
Golf Romeo Mike, Norfolk ground, hello again. You're parking on stand 1-1. Just taxi back via Bravo Delta line 1 and follow the marshal's instructions. I think they're going to position you to how they want you from there.
Roger, parking line 1-1, Bravo Delta, then enter for 1-1, Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Mike, thank you very much for changing to the light base join there.
Yeah, no problem, Golf Romeo Mike.